morning. Ira Epstein with your morning flash update for this Tuesday, and we're at the 20th of June. I can't believe how fast time is going by us. 20th of June, 2023, 8:15 a.m. Remember, summer officially begins this week, so look for that, and that'll get a lot of press very shortly. An interesting day. You know, you get these longer weekends, these holiday weekends, and you come in and you're never quite certain what to expect. We had a break on Friday, if you'll recall, in stock indices. The market is still extending that break, as you can see right now. The market that's taking it on the chin, though, is the gold market. That's the story. It looks to me, market just cratering away, silver going with it. Copper's holding fairly steady because the market is hoping that China does more. I'll talk about that in a minute. They did do something over the weekend, and I'll show you what that is. Platinum getting smashed as well. The dollar up. What are interest rates doing? They're holding the gains, basically. That's the pressure you're getting right here. And most currencies giving you a little bit of a sell-off. You broke fairly hard in the Japanese yen, and it has managed to come back. When you come back from one of these holidays, especially at this time of the year in grains, you just don't know what to expect in the new crop. The old crop's going to look at supply demand, but the new crop's going to be all about weather. Is it better? Is it worse? What is it? And while we are exceptionally dry in the Chicago area, we don't grow corn here. We grow corn outside of Chicago, far outside of Chicago. I don't want to give you the impression 100 miles. 30 miles, 20 miles, yeah, that's where the corn is grown. And it begins growing there, and parts of it are dry. But if you go down south and so on, you've seen the warmer, wet weather, so they're getting that, and that in part is holding the new crop right where it's at. So what about the energy markets? Well, they're still looking at a world that isn't coming back. China's demand isn't quite there. I think we got ahead of ourselves in Rebob. If you see my morning subscriber videos, I had talked about that, and from when I had even done it, you're down quite a bit. The market was not down this much at that point in time. And you can see most of the energy's falling a little bit. I write today about the seaborne exports of oil from Russia, and I'm giving you a miniature report on that today. I've already written up part of it for the morning. Now, let's take a look and see what we have for right now. Let me give you a blowout number. When it came out, I'm going, what? Can that be real? Housing starts up 21.7%. This is nothing like what they were looking. They were expecting it down 0.7. It reversed dramatically. Is it a misprint? It doesn't appear to be. So what's going on? Well, maybe, just this is the backlog. Maybe people finally said, I don't think interest rates for mortgages are going to go much higher than they are. It takes 9 months to a year or longer to build these homes. Let's get them going. But the permits exploded too. They went up 5.2%. The market was looking up for 0.2%. Dramatic increase. China, as I said, they've cut more loan rates. So, last week they were cutting all kinds of stuff that would work in repos and the like. Now they've moved here. But this isn't enough, to be honest with you. They've got to do more with the infrastructure and the like, and they haven't done that yet. This could be setting it up for that, but they're not there. And most things went down about 10 basis points. Now, keep in the back of your mind that starting tomorrow, we get two-day testimony from Fed Chair Powell. So now he gets a chance to explain the pause, where he thinks everything is. Everybody's going to be glued to these 2 days on Capitol Hill. First in front of the, I believe it's first one's going to be the House, and then the Senate will be on Thursday. They flip-flop which ones get what quicker. So you put that together, you're going to want to pay attention. Now, one of the things that's been happening is we keep hitting Bollinger Bands, highs or lows. You've got to pay attention to them. They have been one of the saviors out there. If you learn how to work with them and you understand the natural resistance and support that they offer in the market and how traders work with it, you get an edge. I've put together a course, inexpensive as can be. You get in the course all the chapters to learn this. The charting software, access to my morning subscriber videos, everything is thrown in, including the kitchen sink. How do you get this? We'll pay attention right here and hope to see you in that. I'm Ira. You have a good trading day.